Okay, so in this video, I will to teach you how to install the Gemini CLI. First, we need to open the website and to enter the node node node.js and click the download and scroll down and install the s.msi. Then we can open it. Click next. Click I agree. Click next, 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 install. And click finish. And we can press the start plus the R and enter the CMD, press enter, and we need to enter the command npm, press enter, and wait a moment, and we can see have the usage npm, so the node.js is successful to install. And we can go back the website and we need to enter the Gemini CLI GitHub, press enter and click this website, and we scroll down to find a quick install and copy this install globally with npm. Click copy and go back the terminal and paste. Press enter and wait a moment. Now the Gemini CLI is installed now. Okay, so we need to close the terminal and restart the terminal and enter the code Gemini, press enter and wait a moment. Now this is the first setting. We can choose the all users or list users. Okay, press enter and wait a moment. And we need to sign in with the Google account. So choose this one and press enter. and press enter. Now we need to allow, we can find the browser and log in your email and click sign in, and we can go back the terminal and wait a moment. Now you can see the Gemini CLI is are successfully signed with the Google account. Okay, so we can press the R to restart. So enter the R and wait a moment. Okay, so as you can see, the Gemini is are successful to use it, and also you can use the English or Chinese to ask he. So we can ask, who are you? Enter. Okay, so you can see here response the answer. Okay, so this is the Gemini CLI install video.